Hello, my name is Dr. Rodriguez. I am a science professor. STEAM is an educational movement that combines science, technology, engineering, art, and mathematics. On the iSTEAM channel, we will introduce STEAM fields as access points for experiential learning, inquiry, and critical thinking. Today's episode: separating and identifying amino acids. In this activity, you will separate amino acids by using a technique called chromatography. Chromato means color and graphy means writing. Chromatography really means writing with colors. Amino acids are the monomers or subunits of proteins. If many amino acids are held together by several peptide bonds, a polypeptide chain, which is a primary protein, forms. Amino acids have no color, hence we won't know the result of this activity until we use the revealing agent ninhydrin. Materials: 1 sheet of chromatography paper, 1 chromatography jar with solvent, a pencil, a ruler, and separate test tubes of amino acid solutions: phenylalanine, alanine, cysteine, and unknown. Procedure: obtain a sheet of chromatography paper by holding it at the edges. Be sure to minimize the formation of fingerprints on the paper. Remember that you leave some of your proteins behind when you leave a fingerprint. You must not use a pen on the chromatography paper. Use your pencil to draw a line along the length of the sheet from one edge to the other, about 2 centimeters from the bottom of the edge of the paper. Place 4 pencil dots 3 centimeters apart on the line you created. Under each dot, write the name or the initial of the amino acid that will be placed on it. You will have each dot labeled with 1 amino acid. Place the chromatography in a clean surface and place each amino acid solution over the appropriate dot. It's important that you apply each amino acid more than once to the paper in order to get enough amino acid solution deposited. Allow each application of the amino acid to dry over each dot before adding more. Then roll it to form a tube. You must ensure that your pencil line is visible. Place the tube into the solvent mixture in the chromatography jar. Make sure that your pencil line is just above the solvent surface and securely place the lid on the jar. Leave the jar undisturbed for at least 30 minutes. Carefully remove the paper from the jar after 30 minutes and allow the paper to air dry in the chemical hood. After your chromatography is dry, you will not be able to see amino acids until your instructor spray it with ninhydrin and allow it to get warm in an oven. Once your paper is dry and you can see colors, compare the distance traveled by each amino acid with the distance traveled by the unknown. The relative distance traveled by the unknown amino acid is the main identification factor. Based on your observation of the amino acids on your paper, identify the unknown amino acids. Results: compare the length of the distance traveled by the amino acids. Remember that the distance traveled by the amino acid is a major identification factor of the unknown amino acids. Based on your observation of the amino acids on your chromatography paper, state the name of the unknown amino acids. I hope this presentation was insightful. Please subscribe and give us a thumbs up if you enjoy learning about STEAM. Please also share this channel with someone you think can benefit from or will enjoy the presentation of the iSTEAM channel. Hope to see you soon.